Hey YouTube, welcome back sur channel là, c'est Din de Reste que c'est lakay pour une autre vidéo. Déjà, je dis un grand merci avec chaque de nous qui abonné avec channel là, qui veut le bas pour qui veut le bas aux amis. Pour nous faire ça, pour nous agrandi channel là. Yes, okay. So, je dis un peu d'autres vidéos pour nous. Nous allons faire un vlog, ok. Nous allons faire back to school shopping. For who? For everything que sur channel là, for Mrs. Abigail. Come to the front, Abigail.
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Abigail.
Okay.
And I'm going back to school tomorrow, so I'm so excited. Yeah, we have to go to school shopping right now.
Well guys, but I'll make it tomorrow last back to school, but they made it yes last minute. So you will lekol the message but Josiana will faire back to school shopping. Yeah, I'm ashamed. Okay, so yeah, we got the family. We going with the family. Make some noise. Come on, this is Papa. Look at this. Look. Look. What's going on? Okay. Come on, say hi. Say hi, guys. Look at this. Look. Oh my God, so nous allons quitter la kala kounya, okay guys, nous allons quitter la kala pour nous aller faire shopping. Nous avons plusieurs stops, nous allons faire puis nous passer à manger tout ça. So, yeah, on allait avec nous.
Wait, what about you?
I show Papa already. Come on, Daddy. Daddy is too tall for the camera. I show Daddy already. What's up, Daddy? Alright guys, so nous allons. It feels good. That's where upstairs is the one that cold. Oh, I'm gonna give you some in the car. But yeah, we outside.
I was gonna do a transition.
Well, I think you can still do the transition. Okay, first step, nous pour aller on fritaille. Moi elle on fritaille, moi mes petits fritaille mon bien. On va acheter fritaille oui dans l'autre côté pas de moi c'est ça lui même lui fait soleil. Nous tous connaissons soleil dégoûtant pour faire. Le wa frit yo ba ça so il devine faire non même et puis il fait fritaille so I was like okay, on va acheter un fritaille. So moi l'acheter un fritaille là parce que moi me passer avec ça passer nous allons manger, mais nous ne pouvons pas manger parce que maintenant, nous avons des frites là. Nous allons aller dans le mall pour nous ça. Comme si nous côté dans le mall là, côté on va manger tout ça. Et on va des frites là. Moi-même, je suis grand goût. Donc, on va des frites là.
She's gonna put the seatbelt on for you.
Okay, guys.
Now we're gonna listen.
Oh, Louis, it's for Paris. Ooh! Oh, look at that, guys! Look, very well, very presentable. Oh, look at this! Oh!
Let me see.
If I knew, I would buy two.
Mommy, wait.
What's that, pig?
Yeah, pig ears. No,
Can I have
there's
some?
other meat.
Let me have some. Let me have some pig ears. Let me have some big ears.
This one,
Woo, woo, woo.
it's good. Well, you can get some blending. But let's try it.
No, I don't like
You
pig
never-
ears. I don't.
Just a little
I
bit,
know I'm
just
not
for
gonna
your
like
Asian
it,
lady. You're gonna like it. It's good.
Just for my mom.
Just for your Asian. You see, I don't give you a lot. A little bit. Just try it. A little bit. Eat it.
Jeez, up there.
No,
I'm good.
I don't like it.
I'm good.
Like, where's the meat?
The ears is the meat.
Oh, hell. I'm about to spit it out.
After this weed, baby, don't do that. Because you probably look at it. She might think it's but,
No.
it's good.
Never again. Bacon, yeah. Pork is bad. Pork is bad.
You eat the whole thing. He eat the whole thing.
Oh,
Come here.
the marinade.
Right? It's good. It's good.
Is there sweet butter?
Mm-mm.
Well,
You're not supposed to eat pork.
Taste the macaroni.
let me eat macaroni.
It's good.
Macaroni.
Give this to your brother. It's good. Stop dying déjà aux oreilles.
Do you guys have
Oh
paper?
my God, no.
Oh.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Yeah, we here, guys. No, we there. The way I was eating, busting, I chop it up. That grill. Yep.
Yeah, with the internet. But.
Yes. Alright, so Abigail, I'm gonna come on. You're gonna stand right here so I can do a picture for the thumbnail. Stand right here.
Right here?
Alright, come on, be careful. Come on, let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, I was doing a picture, photo for my baby for the thumbnail, so I can't pull it. But I be forgetting to do thumbnail. I'm gonna come down.
Let's go.
But remember, you had one like this one, but
Yeah, but it only had one.
yeah, we got this.
But the other one had a slime in it.
Yeah, you put it in. Yeah, I like this. I like this one.
No, leave
I
it.
like this. Hello.
Girl,
You too?
I was thinking I was the only one that was last minute.
Well, me too. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. I don't know. I don't really see about them. I don't really see things like that. No.
Excuse me.
16.
They have shirts. Let's beat the
16. Look how big it is. Look.
Oh, girl, this is it. This is it right here. This is it. Get that, please. No, put it in the car.
But look, it's the same like my pants, remember?
It's
Yeah.
killing.
But is it gonna fit you though?
It's killing.
Is it gonna fit you though? We'll see.
Definitely.
We'll put it in the cart.
And let's get a shirt that matches with it, baby.
Baby, you know I can.
You can't stand it. Okay, let's go.
16. Let me get a pack of leggings. I get this pack of leggings. Yes.
Do you see this killing it?
It's not just. I don't think it's just. I get her a pack of leggings.
What about this?
Interesting.
It can match with.
But I feel like this not fit you, right? You don't think it's too small?
Boom, boom, boom.
Can't really know. She have to wear it.
Yeah.
Try it on.
7. Anyway, Abigail, you don't wear 7 anymore, big girl. Oh, sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Let's go to. Wow.
And let's go to where there's
Shh, Abigail.
Then let's go to where there's 10 or 12.
The thing is, they're all over. All those things are all over the place. What thing?
Customer service to the restroom, please. Customer service to the restroom.
Oh, yes. So fun. It looks so good.
But I like these pens. Hopefully there was a 10. I don't think it's gonna fit you. Got it. Got TV son. Like, calm down.
Wait, where's the car?
Wait, before we put it in, we gotta make sure we get in it.
That's 30.
Yeah, you can get that one. This one is cute. Okay, go.
Hop in it.
Yeah. I need the pens. Oh, this is 10? No, it's not 10.
Wait.
I'm going to get at that. Let me tell you, I'm buying my fish in the price. I'm buying my fish. Shopping my mileage. They like, is dirt in the bag? Oh. I couldn't buy it, but I don't know if it's gonna take off. On Betty Mayo will. If bien belle, so yeah, let's see. Come.
You see this right here? Mommy.
Yes.
You see this?
Abigail, come down.
You see this?
You like it?
Yeah. Can we put it in the car?
You can. We'll see. Sometimes come on.
Wednesday dress. They have a Wednesday dress. Yeah. I'll get it.
I guess my little bit in Walmart because I'm going to tank top. I went no tank top here at the girl.
Your top is.
3.
That was just a.
Whew, I'm tired. I'm going to que vini bien tard. Like. Yeah. Let's see this. Alright, so
Let's go to somewhere that has 10 or 12.
so guys, makajon baray comme ça pour Abigail. Mais celle ti ça, m'joun yo. So, gelen bal non lot store. I don't know. Pas vraiment gapil bagay pas vraiment gapil bagay dans store. So ma vani just prend sam journée et puis tout m'bale nan. Nous parler dans mall là and then mall là. Ba connait.
Then go to the parts that have 10.
Those part that's for kids. Here that's for they're not for kids. So come on. We can do a last check because I have to get you socks. I don't see no socks in here that fit you. No shoes here. No sandals, no nothing. So yeah, we have to go to another store because it's getting late. Hi. Click this, I got more personality. Okay, guys. Now, so la nuna mola. Moi, c'est une tennis pour Abigail. Cliff avec papa même yo go movie à monter. Look.
She get it.
So. Ooh. First thing I want to do is drink some water. I'm soif, tête m'a fait mal. Come on. Look, Papa. Look. Come. I'm a boy. Oh, there's a machine. Let me go get some water. Thank God baby, watch them, okay? Ooh. Using no machine in my shed lower. Oh my God. What's this? Bottle of wine. Wait. Pita bem for $4 lá. Ainda tem uma sadlo. So, let's see how it is. Oh, not bad. At least, you got to stay gloppy. Download and deposit. Well, which one was this? Let's go get the film. Hold on. No, you have to see it. This one wasn't too hard. I gotta check. Yes. My driver. Come on, look at Abigail. Look at Papa. Look. So, nobody finished shopping, no? We done?
Let me come back. Nah.
Come on, before the store closes, Abigail. Let's go.
Come on.
I see. Come on.
Can we do the Chris Brown dance?
Please. Oh, in front of all those people. No. Heck no.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Go ahead.
Wow.
This feel like to dance everywhere. Everywhere. Okay. Okay. I'm done. Come here. We have to find your shoes, baby. Alright? That's one of the places. That's a... I don't know what's wrong with this girl. But,
Why are you recording me?
we're gonna try it.
Over here.
Okay. Come on.
So this is your left foot.
Yeah, oh. Sit down, Mama. Let me see this. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I will get her one of those. If there's a size, which one is this?
Use your hand. Use your fingers.
to feed him? Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, it feels good.
What?
Is
Sure,
it good?
get up and walk.
That girl got it.
Okay.
Is it too big now? You think
Nah,
it's
it's 'cause
fit
they're
for
wide.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just because they're wide. And then you still got to tie them up.
Okay. I don't like those too.
Let me see. Yeah, I got it. Lift your foot. Lift your leg. There you go.
So it's just on this side. Okay. Mama, you like this one? It's kind of like cute, right?
Yeah, it's cute.
There goes these. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
You said 6 in these?
Yeah, the same. Yeah.
Let's see. All right.
Or is this? Oops, sorry. Too big now? You think
Nah,
it's fit
they're
for
wide.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just because they're wide. And then you still got to tie them up.
Okay. I don't like those too.
Let me see. Yeah, I got it. Lift your foot. Lift your leg. There you go.
So it's just on this side. Okay. Mama, you like this one? It's kind of like cute, right?
Yeah, it's cute.
There goes these. Just give me 1 second. You
Okay.
said 6 in these?
Yeah, the same. Yeah.
Let's see. All right.
Or is this? Oops, sorry. That one is cute too.
And even this one, show them this one.
This one,
Yeah.
but yeah.
You like those colors.
Yeah, I do, but I kind of like. I don't really like this style one. It don't really look cute.
Hello.
I know. Hello.
Oh yeah, these kind of look good. This is nice, and then these are nice. Like, there's so many shoes that have light colors that are nice. Like these
Ooh.
two.
Be careful, your feet
Like
is
these
chip,
two.
chip, chip. Allez. Celle danser, le danser. Celle danser. Pour celle danser. Puis n'a pas mais pour chercher un tennis pour la l'école ou d'aller et danser la danser. Oh, avec never mind. So I don't know. I guess ngayon na, I guess.
No problem.
Oh, do we see to
Email
online?
to you.
Okay, thank you. You too. This girl is killing me. What did you say, Abigail? Yo, this girl is insane. Look at her. I'm done. Now, so where's Cliff and Amir? They're probably over there. I'll be saying, like, what you be saying?
Material girl needs water. What? Hold on. The store has the clothes.
Here,
Really? The material girl have to start this whole thing again.
you better hold this.
Please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride. It's just like kids.
Look.
I thought it was gonna go so super hard. I thought it was gonna go super fast.
I'm gonna take my horse to Old Town Road.
Rats, not
Hey, sir.
What?
Material girl. It's
Amir.
material girl. Stop.
Material girl.
Okay.
Hi, I'm done.
I'll just take.
Come on, Papa, let's go.
Oh, material girl have to get
We have to go. We gotta go. We have to go.
material girl have to get something now. Let's go. We're getting something.
You make yourself cry. You just have to listen when it's done. Let's go. Let's go. It's fun. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. All right. Come on.
Alright, guys. So, oh my God. Yes. So, jounen fini nan menu, okay. So, what is making that noise? What's this? But anyway, but yeah, jounen fini nan menu. Nou pat gete ou nan manje, parce nou tapal manje nan mall la, kote nou tapal manje ou gete fermé. Yo te ete 10 minutes pou yo fermé, so mte pase achete bagay pou avek el manje, parce m konen kan rive lakay mbal fel domi, pou li ka leve demain matin, but Cliff li men li te bezwen burger, so konan mdi li met al achete yo, pou m ka al fe burger apou li lakay la, so yo nan Walmart la, mwen msi tan la machine la, m gen yon tet fe mal, out of nowhere, tet man komanse fe mal. Kote bagay sa yi? I don't believe. And then I remember the machine on lagari night time. Okay guys, so nous be lakay qu'on a mbal fait burger. Okay, so I'm not gonna use those is for episode. I don't think I will do the episode tonight.
And then, what will it?
Only two. Only actually two.
Three?
Two, yeah, that's one. Hopefully. I gotta put this on.
By the way, who didn't put this in my fridge? Hello, y'all. This is the material girl.
Just like that, we have épices. On va mettre épices sur ça. That phone burger avec nous. But c'est pas recorder, pas recorder. So I'm sorry. Nous pas pour process là. But c'est pas recorder puis tout me ba la ba jom da recorder. So yeah. Et puis voilà, sortez de là. Ou gen burger. So mettez ensemble. Chaque monde prend par avec fries. OK, je vais faire un pile parce que il c'est tellement bien. Mettez dans cette manger burger devez manger. So yeah, so there we go. My burger. OK. Talk to them in Creole.
Comment est tout le monde? Manje, burger là, il bon.
Yeah.
Au revoir tout le monde. Même avec Claudine. Ma manger un burger. Au revoir.
Okay, guys. So yeah. Actually, c'est ça me dépoter pour nous sur channel là, sur jounen là, m'gen pile, m'gen mess dem dans la balle avec vaisseau et puis tout m'bal taper vienne pour quitter pour demain si je veux et puis tout après ça, nous gagnons un movie, nous avons commencé hier soir, nous avons fini, so nous allons finir and then après ça moi sur channel même Abigail yes movie ya. Film da rele Abigail. Yo dit so scary movie but nous pas vraiment scary que ça. Yeah, it's a funny. It's funny et moi to dormir pour homme dans movie but c'est pas de ouais funny. So, m'brale clean vaisseau là et then pour me tremper bien so c'est ça me peut-être pour nous pour channel là pas oublier like avec pas oublier ba vidéo on like voyez bon famille voyez bon amis and then pour nous ka c'est ça pour nous ka grandi channel là OK bye mes amours pour notre vidéo bye